What's good, fam? It's your boy Ed Love Live. Welcome to the Love Bus. Say what's up, Miss Love.
No.
Miss Love is about to change out the propane tank. She wanted to learn how because she woke up this morning and our auxiliary tank was out of gas. So, come on, Miss Love. She busted her head up against there. Okay, I'm not laughing at you. All right, so she got a 20-pound tank. 20-pound tank is what we're putting in. We have two 30-pounders, and the 30-pounder went out, and she's going to put in the 20-pounder. So let me help you out, Miss Love. Move this chair out your way. So yeah, this is our 30-pounder. As you can see, we're out of gas. So, okay, Mrs. Love. So first thing you want to do, you want to turn this off.
This?
Yep. All the way. And then, all you got to do is just unscrew that. Maybe a little tight. Yeah, I'll hold that. And then you take that tank, just move it on out the way. And this is our 20-pounder. And that, just make sure it's off.
What?
Make sure it's off still. Yeah, because sometimes it'd be open. And now she's going to screw that back on. Piece of cake, come, Mrs. Love. And make sure it's tight. And then she's going to turn it on. Then you should see the gauge. See that? We have gas now. I'm just gonna tug it, make sure it's tight. And it is. All right, and so this tank, I'll take care of it. So now we gotta go up in the Love Bus and see if we got gas. Hey, Sammy. So now we're gonna check.
Oh no, it's a mess.
It is not a mess. She says her kitchen's a mess because she cooked her some grass burgers on her Foreman grill. Her kitchen is always clean. Oh, you could just do this. Yeah. You know.
That's what I'm doing.
No, this. You remember? Because the pilot.
Oh. So
So let's wait. Then the pilot light should go out. And then you just hear something kick on for the hot water heater. So now we have gas, Mrs. Love. All right, y'all. So that's changing all our gas tanks. Say goodbye, Mrs. Love.
bye.
Say beep, beep.
No, I don't want to.
Beep, beep.
No.
Say bye, Sammy. Peace, y'all. Love Bus. Beep, beep.